Thanks for buying the Hiland bike. This video will guide you on how to mount your bike. These are all the spare parts in the package. Includes the parts needed for installation. Of course, if you have purchased your own tools, the installation experience will be smoother. Step 1. Assemble the training wheels. For ease of installation, we'll install the training wheels first. Unscrew the nuts and spacers, install the training wheels. Put the spacers on and then tighten with the nuts. Step 2. Assemble the handlebar. Turn the forks straight. Remove the head tube protector. Pick up the handlebar, loosen the handle screws, and remove the protective sleeve. The handler bar can now be inserted into the head tube. Beyond the minimum safety line and the nut tightened. Next, adjust the handlebar angle. Loosen this nut to adjust the handlebar. Once the angle of the handlebar has been adjusted to your comfort, you can tighten the fixing nut. The same goes for the brake handle, adjusted by loosening it with an Allen key. Step 3. Assemble the front wheel. Remove the nuts, spacers, and retaining washers on both sides of the front wheel. Remove the fork protection lever and loosen the line on the brake. Install the front wheel into the fork. Insert retaining washers. Unscrew the fender retaining screws. As shown in the video, fit the fender and set the fender support into the axle. Tighten the nut. After threading the front reflector on the fender screws, insert the fork and skewer the fender. Secure the nut with a wrench and tighten the screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Re-snap the brake line into the slot and the front wheel section is installed. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. The pedals are labeled. R is the right pedal and L is the left. Insert the pedals into the cranks and screw them in, then tighten with a wrench. Right footrest tighten clockwise, left footrest tighten counterclockwise. Step 5. Assemble the rear carrier. Before installing the rear carrier, we unscrewed the set screws on the frame. Install the rear reflector on the rear carrier and tighten it with screws. Screw the rear fender to the frame. The rear carrier is simply screwed on first and then tightened all the way down. Step 6. Assemble the saddle. Loosen the seat tube clamp and tighten it after inserting the saddle tube into the seat tube beyond the minimum safety line. Step 7. Assemble the other accessories. The bell is mounted on the handlebar and screwed in place. Stem protective straps are mounted on the handlebars and attached with Velcro. This is the end of the installation. If you still have questions, please contact us.